Welcome, Ojas and Adrat. Hello, Ojas and Adrat.
Yes,
Uh, so, have you seen the robotic arm?
yes,
Who has seen?
me.
Adrat? I cannot listen you, Adrat.
I saw it.
Okay, so I had told that I had used a servo motor in it. So today we'll be going to learn how to use a servo motor. In previous classes, okay, we'll be restarting our session. Welcome, Ved. Ved, have you seen the robotic arm? Ved?
No.
Uh, okay, let it be. But later on, you can see the robotic arm. I had sent it in WhatsApp group. So in that, I had told that I had attached a servo motor. So that motor, you can use that motor to turn 90 degrees towards the left and 90 degrees towards the right. Means at some 180 degrees. Okay.
मुझे कोई बात ही नहीं करता।
Okay. So today we're going to learn how to use a servo motor. Like in previous classes, we had learned how to use uh just a simple LED. We can switch it on, switch it off, switch it on, switch it off. It was really boring, right? Everyone
Yes,
who found it boring, please tell me, because I also found it
little
boring.
bit, little bit.
I too found it
No,
boring.
because it was our first time, so it was nice.
Okay. So let's start how to use. Let's see how to use a robotic arm. Sorry, servo motor. Everyone, please take at least one servo motor with you. Everyone, Adrat, Ojas, Ved, take one servo motor and your whole Arduino kit as well.
Which one is the servo motor?
Can you please switch on your video, Ojas?
Yes.
It is
Um,
blue colored, and it on it it is written as Tower Pro SG90 servo motor.
mm,
I will show you.
I know, I know. Is this the one? I
Yes, 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 right.
can
It
you show
looks
it?
like this.
Okay.
Yes,
This one, na?
yes. Okay, so remove one servo motor and attach a knob on it. Attach, like there are three knobs. There are three knobs. Attach any one knob on it.
This one, na? No.
Yes, you can attach any knob, Ojas. Like this, I have attached. You can attach any knob. And no need to fix it with a screw. You can directly just press it and it will get attached.
Can you show me that motor?
Sure, sure. Wait, this is the servo motor.
I attached the.
Well done, Adrat. So, does everyone have a servo motor with them?
Yes.
Okay, I will just
Look, it is fine now.
Yes, wonderful. Okay, so this is the servo motor, and everyone you can try turning the knob. Try to turn the knob once.
Yes.
You will notice that it turns 180 degrees.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, right. So if everyone is ready, should I show you how to write the code for it with
Yes,
Adrit,
yes.
Ojas?
We have to do it from that P5 editor or the.
No, for
Visual.
Arduino we are using Arduino IDE app.
Okay, wait, I'm opening it.
Okay, sure.
Uh, audio. Audio.
Ved, are you
Hmm,
ready?
no, I'm just opening that.
Okay,
It's
okay.
taking a lot. It's opening.
Okay. So shall I start screen sharing?
No.
Yes.
Shall I start screen sharing?
Okay. Can you wait?
Sure, 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 Ved. If everyone is ready, please inform.
Yes.
Is everyone ready?
I am.
Okay. So we will start writing code. But before that, we will revise some of our concepts. So in last class was a revision class, but no problem. If anyone has uh like Adrut, Ved, and Ojas, you will not be having any problem. So just few questions for each one of you. One question for each. First, anyone can answer.
Oh,
So first question is that
yes.
which function will you use for fading a LED or or for sending various variable voltage?
Diagram
Repeat, please repeat.
and brightness.
I
Int
couldn't.
brightness.
No, no, no. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I am asking which function will use. Like for switching on and switching off, we use digital write, right? We use digital write function.
Analog right.
Yes, yes.
Analog.
Analog write. So Ojas has answered. So next question will be for either Ved or either Adrut. So anyone of you can answer Ved or Adrut. For directly decreasing the voltage from some value, and then again the voltage should be that much. Like if the voltage is 10, it should be decreasing and then going to like 0, and then it should go to 0 and stop. So what we will use, which function? uh Guesses, any guesses, which function we will use for, in that we had written brightness, but we had used that function
Yes, we
for.
have to write brightness.
No, no, I'm not telling that. Like in the last class, we had written a function that if the brightness is greater than 0, then the brightness is equal to brightness minus 1. Means the new value for brightness will be like if the previous value of brightness was 10, so it will be 9. Then from 9, it will become 8 till it becomes lesser than 0. And when we had written that if the value is lesser than 0, it will become 10. Who remembers this? Like if condition is
Me.
very necessary. Oh, just wait. Oh, just wait. Wait, are you able to hear me?
Can I can I
Yes,
try?
No need for trying if condition. But in the last class, we had learned how to use if condition. Because these if conditions, digital right, analog right, these are means the stepping stones for you. If you don't learn these things, you will not be able to make anything. So you must need how to learn these if condition, that condition, and so. So this is why I'm
Okay.
asking you to please remember these conditions. Okay, is the if condition clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Ojas, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Ved,
yes,
okay. So here, can everyone see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, like each time we did, we have to introduce a connection. But before that, everyone, this time we are going to learn something very new and interesting. Go to Sketch. There is an option called as Include Library. I have downloaded many libraries in it, and some libraries are already present. These are the libraries. I have added some important libraries called Dallas Temperature, etc. So the library which we are going to use today is the servo library, as we are going to use servo motor. So
Can
servo
you
lib
send
no
can
need to
you send
no need for the link or just when you go to Arduino IDE app, there are some libraries already installed. So the servo library is already installed. Go to Sketch. There is an option called as Include Library, and there here it will be written as servo. Just click on that, then the library will be included. Okay,
got it?
is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Then now,
yes.
can you see
Can you
that?
repeat it again?
Okay, like here, whenever we want to use any library, first we have to go to Sketch. Then there is a last second option called as Include Library. There we are going to use the library called as servo. We are working on servo motor, right? In this class, we are working on servo motor. So we need servo library. It will be present here. Click on it to include it on in your code. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So can you see
Mm,
that this servo has turned red? Can you see that?
yes.
That
Yes.
is because we have included a library. So we should use that name like each time what we had written const int and like LED1 and so on, many names and where it was connected, right?
Yes.
Everyone. But this time,
Yes.
as we are including a library, including library changes some of the rules. So for this library, you have to write for introducing a name. like we were introducing name using const int. But here we will write servo and then name of the servo pin. Like I will write my servo. So first, like instead of const int, we'll use servo because we are using a servo library, and then my servo. And for connecting it to one of the digital pin, we will write as my servo dot attach, and then our digital pin. I will connect it to digital pin 11, and then we should go down in void loop function. And everyone, uh, was that clear to everyone? This
Yes.
first we will include the library. Then what is the library's name? Servo. So using the name servo, we will introduce a new connection name. So I have introduced such as my servo. Then you can use that name wherever you want. And then to connect it to any pin, we will use my servo or any other name which you give dot attach. And
Aryan Bhaiya,
yes,
we have to, we can only put the my server, we can put any name there.
any name.
Okay.
And after that, uh, here I have given the name my servo. So I will use my name for my servo dot. Wait, I have to introduce one more thing here, or I will not introduce it. Then, like I had told you that a servo motor can accurately move up to 180 degrees and not more than that. So for that, we will use a function called as my servo dot write. Today's class is very easy, so please don't be tense. And after that, in write, whatever degrees of angle you want, you can write. Like maximum is 180 degrees. So from 0 to 180 degrees, you can write any angle. 90 degrees, 45 degrees, or whatever. So I will write as 90 and then a semicolon and then delay. Everyone remembers the delay function?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
1000 seconds. And after 1000 seconds, I will change the servo's position. My servo dot write. I will change it to 135 degrees. You can change it to any number. Then again, I will make an interval of 1000 1 second. So, and last time I will change the position my servo dot write and delay and 1 second delay. So done. So our code today was really very short and sweet, just of 17
Yes.
lines.
You have the code is done.
Yes, code is done. I will be connecting my servo motor and then showing you how it works. So basically what I have done is first I included the library. Then, using the library name servo, I gave it a connection name called my servo. You can give multiple connection names. And using that name my servo, I wrote my servo dot attach. Attach function is used only for servo motors to attach it to a particular digital pin. And then my servo dot write for giving it a particular angle. So I have started connection. I'm stopping screen presentation.
क्या?
One more thing, everyone. Everyone, can you see me and listen me? Hello, everyone.
Yes. Yes.
The servo motor has three wires. Can you see?
Yes. Yes.
One violet, one red, and one yellow. Okay. So
Yes.
the yellow wire should be connected to digital pin, which the name has given. Like I have given 11. Whichever digital pin you give, you have to connect that there. And the red pin should be connected to plus 5, which is in the power section. And the violet one should be connected to ground. Okay, everyone. I hope it is clear.
Yes. No, I don't know where it is. I can't find it.
Who is that? May I know?
Adru.
Okay, Adrat. Uh, can you see my Arduino Uno board?
Yes.
So the yellow wire should be connected to the digital pin which you have given in the code, and then there is a plus 5 just beside the ground. Ground and here plus 5. Not plus 5, 5V.
Yes, got it.
Oh.
And the last wire?
Last wire which is violet in color should be connected to ground.
Thank you. Okay. I can't remove the pins.
Yes,
I can't remove the pins and attach it there.
I could not understand. Like it should be attached using jumper wires.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes.
Yes, there's one problem that blue kind of wire that connects the CPU to the Arduino board that's missing.
Okay. So you can take your time, wait. You can connect it later as well.
Okay. I'm so sorry for that.
Can everyone see?
Yes, it's moving. To move it after what servo, after servo dot, what we have to write?
Uh, yes, Adrut.
Uh, in the void loop, servo dot, and what we have to write?
Servo dot write, and after write in brackets you will have to write
And
whatever angle you want.
excuse me.
Everyone, the previous server was not working, and as we had programmed it, it is turning to 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 135 degrees. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So everyone, whoever wrote the code, please tell me. Hello.
My code, I have done half of the code. I am uploading the code. Just a second.
Very good. And wait, what about you?
I
Wait.
did not get that new kind of wire.
Oh, sorry. But you can write the code. Wait.
Okay.
Yes, Adrit, can you please take the servo a little bit towards the camera? Yes.
Just a second. It's uploading.
I'm really very happy and excited to see the servo move. And if all three code is working properly, I would be really very happy.
I have also done the code.
Wonderful one. Wonderful. Adrit
I'm
and Ved,
sending it.
Ojas, you both can show me. Adrit and Ojas.
By presenting, na?
No. I means code. I don't want to see the code. Just show me the output.
Yes, I am sending the screenshot on WhatsApp, then I would show it.
No need a screenshot, Ojas.
Mm,
You can directly show me the output. Code is not needed.
okay.
Code is not at all needed. You just show the output.
Yes.
Adrit, are you having problem with the code or the servo motor?
The motor got disconnected. The
Yes.
motor connection was lost, so I have to connect the wires again.
Okay.
My is also not working nice.
Okay, I will again
It
tell you.
also.
I will again tell you, as each and every servo has the same color of wire, the yellow color of wire should be connected to the digital pin which you have given in the code. Like if you have given my servo or whatever name dot attach 10, so attach it to digital pin 10, and the red wire should be connected to plus 5 pin. or the 5V
Oh,
pin?
yes, I got the problem.
Oh, well done. So problem will be solved and then we will be seeing the output.
धीरे धीरे लग. अरे यार. काय झालं? माझं चालू. It's not moving, but
May I know
I have connected.
what you had written in the code?
तो बसून जा. लागलं? I have written. I have selected digital pin 12. Digital. I have selected digital pin 12 and I have connected yellow pin on 12, red pin on PV and violet pin on
Just 2 minutes,
violet
Ojas.
pin.
Just 2 minutes, Ojas.
Yes. Can you see?
Yes. Very good, Adrut. Well done. Yes, Ojas. You can continue. Well done, Adrut.
I have connected the yellow pin on 12 and red pin on PV and violet pin on ground pin. But it's not moving.
Please change, actually, change the number to 11, 10, 9, or any PWM pin.
Okay.
Like there are many options. 6 options are present. You can choose any one pin from them and attach your server there. Ojas, your video
Yes.
is freezed. Just switch off the camera and again switch on the camera. Oh, now it's working.
Aryan Dada, I'm saying that now it's showing error in the code.
Okay. So just verbally tell me what you have written before function setup.
Before function void setup, na?
Yes, sorry, void setup, void setup.
I have written in with the hash include servo.h, servo my servo, and then
Wait. Ojas, have you included the library through the process I had told you?
yeah, yes, I have added it.
Okay. Then what you had written after that?
I have selected on sketch and then include library and then selected on servo.
No, means how I had told you to give name. I will show once again. You can see that. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Here, once you have included the library name is servo. So by using this name of servo, you have to write a connection name. Servo and then the connection name. Okay.
Yes, I have written that way only, but it's saying
And in void setup, what you have written?
error is. I have written my servo, comma attach
Not comma.
bracket.
Dot attach.
Uh,
Dot attach.
let me see. Yes, okay. Dot.
Now it will be
Yes, now
working.
I am uploading.
Well done.
Now it's showing problem in void loop. My servo write
No, dot write.
160.
My servo dot write means you cannot directly write. You can means whatever function you are using in servo, you have to write dot attach, dot write. Okay,
Okay.
and you have range from
Yes.
0 to 180 degrees.
Yes.
So then I will stop sharing as everything is clear.
Yes, it's uploading. Done uploading.
So show me the output.
Yes, of course. Pins are connected. Can't see your camera or just,
Yes, wait.
but it's not moving.
Okay, so again
It's
tell me
not
what you
moving.
have written in the code. My servo dot write
Yes.
and in brackets what?
160, 130, and 154.
No, you can write. You cannot write everything once. You have to write means one thing at once. Like first 160, then write delay and the milliseconds you want, and then again you have to write
Yes.
my servo dot write.
And the degree, na?
Yes,
We can take another degree, na?
whatever you want.
So I have written that only. Delay, then my servo right
I have
one.
given the code here. See how I have written the code. Dot write first whatever I had given 90, then delay means after some time it will change to 135, and after again some time it will change to 45, and after 1 second it will again change to 90.
After 1 second.
Yes, you can write any time. What did you write?
I have taken one 1 minute.
This was why it was not moving.
Now I am uploading it again.
Well done, well.
Done uploading. Hmm.
Ojas, is it moving?
No, it's not moving.
Okay, Adrut has also sent a code. It is written really very cleanly and properly. You can see that code. Just look at it properly. You had first introduced a name. You used that name and wrote dot right and in that degrees. So like 90 or anything. Then delay and 1 second. Then servo one dot right. You can write give any name.
Hmm. I have written the same only.
Okay, okay.
But I have taken my servo.
Actually, there can be no problem with the servo. Can you take a screenshot and send on WhatsApp?
Yes.
Because that is the only way. And send it a bit fast. But is the concept clear of using a servo motor?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone found it interesting to use a servo motor because it was new
Yes.
from just a simple LED or buzzer. You
Yes.
will you after some time after some classes you will be also learning how to use potential meter, and then you will be making your own robotic arm as well.
Wow.